this berry mauve eyeshadow tutorial with some glitter on it, so let's just get started. Of course, I'm using the Blushing Berries by Dose of Colors. If you guys don't know me, I love Dose of Colors. They have one of the best eyeshadows ever. They just blend so easily. But I am using this eyeshadow called Berry Chick, and I'm applying this eyeshadow on the crease with my all-time favorite Morphe brush, which is the Morphe M441. I know you guys are probably wondering what happened to the other video that I posted. Well, I didn't like it and I wasn't feeling the video, like I wasn't liking it at all, so I just decided to take it down. But I did this look and it's gonna make it up for the one that got deleted. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow called Berry Pop on a Morphe M433. I'm just applying this on the crease like I did with the other eyeshadow. By the way, this is another favorite brush of mine. I just love this brush so much. And I'm going back with the Morphe M441 to blend everything together. Sometimes I still I'm going in with my Morphe R35 brush. This brush doesn't have any product on it. It's just a clean brush, and I'm just making sure both colors I applied are well blended out. Here we go again with my LA Pro Concealer, and of course I'm just using it to cut the crease. You guys know how I do this. I do this all the time. I still think about you. I still think about, wonder what you do. I still think about, I can't shake it, I can't erase. I'm going back with some more of the eyeshadow called Berry Pop, and I'm using the brush that came with the palette. This one is a very small brush, and I'm just applying this eyeshadow on top of where I cut the crease. Once I finish blending that out, I'll be going in with the last color, and this one is called Mixed Berries, and I'm just applying this color the same way I did with Berry Pop. The reason I did these steps last was because if I was to add both colors together on the crease at the same time, they weren't gonna even show, like the colors would appear darker, and I didn't want that, and I just like doing it this way because I could see both colors together. I'm also just blending that out to make sure, you know, there's no harsh lines. The glitter I'll be using today is by Urban Decay, and this one is the heavy metal glitter. I'm not sure what it's called, but it'll be listed down below. Just know that these are one of the bombest, best glitter eyeliners out there. I highly recommend them. No matter what I do, you see straight through. Like to play it cold. Keep my cards close to my chest. I'm trying my hardest to forget, but I still think about you. I still think about, wonder what you do. I still think about, I can't shake it. If you know what eyelashes are my favorite, let me know in the comments section. Don't look in the description box. Let me know, comment down below, because I really want to know who knows what are my favorite eyelashes. Put on a brave face. The last thing I'll be doing is highlighting the inner corners of my eye as well as my brow bone. You could use any white eyeshadow or any eyeshadow you guys have. It doesn't have to be the same one. I just use random ones all the time. Once I finish doing that, this whole look is complete. Wow, I am so in shock because this look is so beautiful. But anyways, I hope you guys all loved it as much as I did. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys on my next video.
I still